Welcome to AmbitionBox. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to download badges from the employer dashboard. To get started, log in using your registered email ID. Enter the OTP sent to your inbox. After logging in, head to the left panel and click on Download Badges under the Promote Your Brand section. On this page, you'll be able to download your unlocked badges, share them, or copy their embed link. You'll also see a variety of other badges available. For example, followers milestone badges. For the ones that are locked, simply click on the lock icon to view the criteria required to unlock them. Here's how these badges appear on AmbitionBox company pages, giving visitors a quick view of your achievements. And to give you a real-world perspective, here are some examples of how our clients are proudly showcasing these badges on their own websites. It's important to make sure the badge is embedded or linked to your AmbitionBox company page. You can find the embed link right below each badge. If you face any issues, please reach out to us via support@ambitionbox.com. Thank you.